especially needed sa inyong school po.
Matanaw po kayo. Sa inyong lahat, ang guro, prinsipal, mag-present.
Kapag sabi naman ang locator na sa dami ng schools dito sa Sarangani, tayo pa ang napili. No? So, once again, sir, thank you.
Ang sagutin ko ay hindi lang pala nagbibigay liwanag sa mga tahanan ng kaalam. Nagbibigay din pala ng liwanag sa kinabukasan.
Continue, may we request the board of director of General Santos City First District to introduce to us our esteemed keynote speaker for today.
Good morning, everyone. It is with much pleasure that I introduce to you our keynote speaker for this 41st annual, formerly known as the 20th Covered Commission, the country's primary watch the formulation of the amendments of the pyramidal or the electric power, but also member consumer owners, empowerment, and involvement. Education Administrator, Mr. Antonio Mariano C. Almeda.
For my message, I would like to